So another quick video for VDJ8 2020. This time it's about panels and custom buttons. How do you get to them? Which panels are hidden and how do you get to those? So here we go. On the starter skin there's not a lot you can do. If you click any of these buttons, even if you use the right click, you basically just click them. But if you go to the essential skin, you can actually set those. So if you click it, you get the loop row, but if you right click it, you get the list. So regarding custom buttons on the essential skin, you can just build your own pad page that has your custom buttons on it. I created ones called My Custom Ones. So if I select that, then one of the four up here is now that one. So I can click onto it and then actually have my custom button here, if you will, on the essential skin. The next one, the Pro skin, that one already has real custom buttons. They're placed up here. There's 4 of them on this little panel. But the funky thing is here that you can actually get other things to appear in these 4 areas. So if you click the text, it switches the panel. But not only that, each of them also have a little dot menu. So if I click that one, I get more choices. If I click one of those choices, like timecode and loop in, line in, sorry, then it's selected, but it marks it. So now when I click this one, it goes between the 3 selected ones instead. So if I click the 2 other ones as well, shaped loop and cues 5 to 8, then it goes through all 5 of them. And that's the same on all of them. So down here you can get things like record loop, and then you can go through loop and record loop, 2 loop modes and record loop here. And another interesting one, if we down here select the regular hot cues, what's that here? And then up here select hot cues by selecting patch 16. Then in this particular mode, this particular pad page, it automatically figures out that to give the first 8 hot cues up here and the last 8 hot cues down here. So that's a way to do that. But other than that, it's the same. You select which ones to go through, and this FX3 full is interesting because you get 2 dials for each effect instead of just 1. So if you go back here, you have just 1 for each effect. Here you have just 1 effect. And here you have 2 dials for each effect. Down here, there's only 2 of them. So that's if you wanted the same way as the 2 first skins. Sorry. Or if you want the drop down, so you can go through all your pad pages, including your favorite pad pages. So the final skin, the performance skin, has a little bit of it too. So over here, again, you can click it to go through. So this is hot cues. This is also hot cues, but it's the pad pages, so you can select something else. And this is effects. So a lot of hot cues, effects, pad pages and effects, like that. And over here, you have a lot of loop options like you saw before. So let's do custom buttons, because we like those. It's already selected. So if I go up here and click it, I eventually get to my custom buttons. So those can also be found on the performance skin. So that's just a little bit of info regarding panels, which are hidden, how you can use them, how you can add even more, and how you can get custom buttons on on the essential skin simply by using a pet page.